So I'll be unboxing these two cars today. I will have one thing to say about these cars is that they are beautiful cars. All right, nobody seems to be taking interest in, and somehow Hot Wheels decided to just put one Dodge in a case. Okay, like you don't see two Dodge in a case. I have not seen that. As far as I have scrolled around like 10,000 banana length Reddit, I didn't come across any post saying like, oh, I got two Dodge Viper in a what do you say, in a case or something like that. So yeah, let's unbox these beautiful cars. All right. So I like Dodge, I like Mustang, I like Shelby, but these are the first time that I'll be unboxing the Dodge cars. If I'm not wrong, I forgot to keep the track like what I've unboxed so far. So which one will unbox first? This one or this one? This one? Okay. Oh my. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but yeah. Alright, this is off the box, and wow, this looks nice. Wow, damn dude. Wow, this looks very nice. Wow. So we have the SRT badging, we have the 93 badging with RW, we have the Mopar livery, Mopar logo actually. We also have the ACR badging, we have the Hot Wheels badging in the red, pretty nice. We also have gloss painted on this side of the spoiler, pretty good wheels, and we also have these silver rims to match the color. The color is gray, metallic gray. It is very nice color. On the front we have this wow, it has painted headlamps. It also has great what do you say, livery on the hood with the 93 badging here and 93 badging here, and it says AA here, and we also have the same livery on the other side, right? I think these are the exhausts if I'm not wrong. Here, this one and this one. So we have the metal spoiler, no rear details, but it is embossed. Okay, no exhaust details as well. So the base is this slight what do you say, chassis details, and the Hot Wheels embossed logo here, right? Let's give it a quick. Oh wow, this was nice. It is I think a gram or two heavier than usual mainline cars. So you can see the glass, it is tinted here. Okay, it uses the PR5 wheels, and it is designed by none other than Phil Vrelman. I think I pronounced the name right. Sorry, we are Indians, we are not used to such complicated names. Yeah, you could say that we have complicated names, but yeah, what we can do. So yeah, this was a very cool casting. They also have this fuel lid embossing here. No door embossing as such. I don't know how would one enter this car because look at this. Right? These are the crazy questions I have at night, and people think the other way. So yeah, next one is this yellow 92 Dodge Viper RT10. This is one of my favorite cars so far from the blister actually, and this is the first time I got a car that has open roof, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there are lot of days and many videos where I say if I'm not wrong, and usually I'm not wrong. Okay, let me know in the comments if you know which car is it that I had. Okay, wow. Okay, right off the box, pretty lame base, but wow, look at this car. Oh my god, dude, these are the most awesome wheels that I've seen on any Hot Wheels as of now, and the stock what do you say, livery or paint job, whatever it is good. But I do have the yellow tint issue, as I've said earlier, In the white we have the blue tint, and in the yellow we have the gray tint. But just take it away from your eyes for a sec and you will see that this is a pretty awesome car, right? Pretty good looking car, right? So it says a Viper RT10 right here. These are pretty cool wheels, look at them roll. So you have the exhaust details here and here. On the other side also we have the same thing. We also have rear view mirrors, and the interior detailings are done in black, which are pretty amazing. Wow. This is the roof, where the roof pops out, I guess, I don't know. No rear detailings, sad, but the front detailings are, wow, pretty good, pretty nice detailings, and overall this looks very nice. Also, I got confused like between this and the Mazda Miata. Even that has come out in yellow color, and that looks pretty similar to this car. Yeah, so this is designed by Fraser Campbell, and it was first debuted in the series HW Exotics, and still it is in the Exotic series. And it started its time in Hot Wheels in 2023. I think this is a bit wider. The car is a bit wider, I feel. Let's do a roll test quick. See, I like yellow cars, okay? There's no other way of saying it. That's the honest truth, the brutal truth. But the thing is, yellow cars often have this weird green tint. I hope Hot Wheels addresses that pretty soon. Okay, so the Dodge Viper is a sports car manufactured by the Dodge division of the Stellantis, formerly known as Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. So this was there in the market from 1991 to 2017. All right, and what else we know about this car? The car was powered by an 8-liter odd-firing Viper V10 making 400 horsepower. That's pretty impressive, with variation of this power plant powering the Viper for its entire lifespan. Okay, so this was the same engine that was just tuned differently, and it was used for the entire years of glory that it was there on the market and on the road. Okay. So it also mentions that the engine detailing has been done good. You can see here. So if you take it apart, you can see the engine detailing here, but I don't want to take it apart. I have only this one car with me. And the wheels that I was so happy about to see, these are the called FC3 type of wheels. I don't know what that means, but that's the name of this wheel type. And they are done in gray color. It's pretty awesome. And for me, both these cars roll very nicely and score perfectly. Okay, if not perfectly, then at least a solid 8.5 out of 10 for both these cars. Yeah, so let's conclude the video here. So this was the Dodge. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting.